Hey! What did he tell you? What is he planning to do? Because based on what I've seen so far, he's gonna get massacred!
For the first time ever, Vegeta is going to be fighting on behalf of someone other than himself. And sadly, it'll cost him his life. The key to defeating you is to obliterate you so completely, your regeneration won't be possible. Goodbye to you all. Bulma, Trunks, and yes, even you, Kakarot.
Burst of light, a great warrior meets his end, the prince of all Saiyans. His name was Vegeta.